Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Two Boys with All the Noise, Nick and Narf. We are two brothers in Tucson doing, what the hell are we doing, Nick?
We're bringing you music from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond both ways.
Okay, good. I forgot that line, so that's why I went, take it, Nick! Anyway, we're glad you're here joining us today for another episode, and today we got another treat for you, an album side of another great classic album. This one is from 1967, the great Jefferson Airplane, formed in 1965, stayed together till 1973 as Jefferson Airplane, then evolved into Jefferson Starship, then evolved into Starship over a 30-year period or so. Pretty amazing with some of their basic superstars that joined the group. You have Marty Balin, Grace Slick, Jack Cassidy, Paul Kantner, and then some of the other guys, Yorma on lead guitar, and some of the other guys, Skip Spence and other guys who did stuff. And this album is one of the greatest albums of the 60s. It's on Rolling Stone's Top 500, and it's just a real jewel in rock history.
And
Nick, what do you say?
Frank's here and was started reading off some of the great albums from 1967, so I'm going to let him read
What a year. If you check it out, go Google Best Albums in 1967. These are just some of the titles I took on. There were still like another 70 albums. Sgt. Pepper came out. Magical Mystery Tour came out in 67. Are You Experienced an Axis Bold of Love, both by Jimi Hendrix. The Doors and Strange Days, both in the same year. Disraeli Gears by Cream.
One of my favorites.
Days of Future Past by the Moody Blues.
Yeah.
Buffalo Springfield again. Forever Changes by Love, and Between the Buttons by the Rolling Stones. That's only like a dozen, and there are 100. Just awesome album. What a year for music. And this album was one of the ones that was just so catchy and dynamic. Two of the songs rose to the top 10. You had Somebody to Love came in at number 5, and then White Rabbit came in at number 8.
I still can't believe Someone to Love didn't make number 1, because that song was played over, and we loved it. I mean, it didn't matter how many times you heard it, you loved it.
This year, 1967, was a huge year when I was in my rock band with my fellow mates from grammar school and soon to be high school. We were just getting our band going, and got all these albums were inspiring us, and we were taking stuff off of these albums and trying to put it into our repertoire. So it brings back great memories. But anyway, before we get into our album side, remembering the great Jefferson Airplane and Surreal Pillow, let me invite you, if you have not and you like what you're going to hear, please subscribe, hit that like icon, and share it with your friends. Tell them about Niggoline and Narfoline, because we care for your ears.
Don't forget that notification bell. It sounds kind of nice.
It goes
ding,
ding,
it tells you is Frank posted again, Nick and Narf, and here we are, so come and get us.
All right, here we go. Are you ready? We've got 5 tracks that form side 1, and it doesn't even include White Rabbit. This album is just so great from top to bottom. But let's get going. Here we are with the first one from Surrealistic Pillow. She Has Funny Cars.
Try so hard to know your mind and find out what's inside you. Time goes on and I don't know just where you are or how I'm going to find you. You can do whatever you please. Waiting to be seen.
Want to leave me alive.
You can collect
on
all the neglect or all the self-respect you need. And I know, and I know, and I know your mind's guaranteed. It's all you'll ever need. So what do you want with me?
Last train to Clarksville.
That does sound like a little loud. I think the Monkees came out in 67 too.
We feel but once the difference can be found around in spite of all the sorrow. If you see black, you can look back, you can look front, you cannot face tomorrow. Some have it nice,
And you're wrong.
flash, paradise.
Rice.
They're very wise, very disguised, trying to revolutionize tomorrow. And I know, and I know, and I know, your mind's guaranteed. It's all you'll ever need. So what do you want with me?
Pass the Roach clip.
So tasty. Remember the battle of the bands between San Francisco and LA, the two different places. Anyway,
I tell
that
you,
was She Has
Grace-
Funny Cars.
Grace Slick's voice is just so good.
Somebody to love.
When the truth is found to be lies, and all the joy within you dies. Don't you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Wouldn't you love somebody to love? You better find somebody to love. Love. And the garden flowers, baby, are dead, yes, and your mind is so full of red. Don't you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Wouldn't you love somebody to love? You better find somebody to love. Your eyes, I say, your eyes may look like his. Yeah, but in your head, baby, I'm afraid you don't know where it is. Don't you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Wouldn't you love somebody to love? You better find somebody to love. Tears are running, they're all running down your dress. And your friends, baby, they treat you like a guest. Don't you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Wouldn't you love somebody to love? You better find somebody to love.
Yeah, Grace. I love this outro. Wonderful, wonderful.
Still don't understand how it didn't make number one.
Me neither. Here's the next song, My Best Friend.
Are you my best friend?
You are my best
I love you so well.
to the
End of time, you won't see me see I've fallen into your love stream. I'll follow your dream. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. I'll follow you wherever time will take me to. Forever I'll be one with you. One with you. One with you. Ah, you're my best friend. You are my best friend. All that you're seeing, I set you free, and just like me, you'll be being in love with me. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean now. I'm gonna set you free. Yeah. You be in love with me. I'm my best friend now. Oh, you're my best friend. And I love you so well. Till the end of time, you won't see me. Oh, you're my best friend. And I see you, it seems. Now I can see I've fallen into your love stream. I follow your dream. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, know what I mean now. You be in love with me now. I'm gonna set you free. Yeah. Oh, you're my best friend now. Oh, you're my best friend.
So nice.
Very cool. Good memory.
Absolutely. Next song is Today.
Great song.
Today, I feel like pleasing you more than before. Today, I know what I wanna do, but I don't know what for. To be living for you is all I want to do. To be loving you, it'll all be there when my dreams come true. Today, you're making me say that I somehow have changed. Today, you look into my eyes, I'm just not the same. To be any more than all I am would be a lie. I'm so full of love, I could burst apart and start to cry. Today, everything you want, I swear, it all will come true. Today, I realize how much I'm in love with you. With you standing here, I could tell the world what it means to love. To go on from here, I can't use words, they don't
beautiful.
They never released that as a single, did
Nope,
they?
that wasn't a
Reminds me
single.
of The Association a little bit.
Here's Coming Back to Me, the
Oh, I love
final
this song,
song
too.
on side one.
This is such a great song.
It's probably a recorder. These songs feel like they're out of a dream, you know? You hear this music in a dream. Really elegant, beautiful.
Yeah. Recorder.
Our band leader Mike played a recorder when we did songs like with we needed them. It sounded so
The
nice.
summer had inhaled and held its breath too long. The winter looked the same as if it never had gone. And through an open window where no curtain hung, I saw you. I saw you coming back to me. One begins to read between the pages of a look, the shape of sleepy music, and suddenly you're hooked. Through the rain upon the trees that kisses on the run,
Bob Dylan. Rain above the trees.
I saw you. I saw you coming back to me. You came to stay and live my way, scatter my love like leaves in the wind. You always say you won't go away, but I know what it always has been. It always has been a transparent dream beneath an occasional sigh. Most of the time I just let it go by. Now I wish it hadn't begun. I saw you. Yes, I saw you coming back to me. Strolling the hills overlooking the shore, I realize I've been here before. The shadow in the mist could have been anyone. I saw you. I saw you coming back to me. Small things like reasons are put in a jar. Whatever happened to wishes wished on a star? Was it just something that I made up for fun? I saw you. I saw you coming back to me.
Well, Nikki, what do you think, man?
I couldn't help but flashing on the movie Pride and Prejudice. The part, second last scene where Darcy's walking up to the farmhouse and he's going to, they're going to finally get together. I saw you coming back to me. It's beautiful.
You forget how many beautiful love ballads. I mean, you think of Jefferson Airplane as a rock band, a psychedelic
hard
and stuff. But this album had this delicate balance between some hard rocking psychedelic stuff, kind of mind bending things, and love songs. And it's just so beautifully modulated. I mean, the rest of the album, it's so exquisite. You got 3/5 of a mile in 10 seconds, DCBA 25, How Do You Feel, Embryonic Journey, the instrumental guitar work, White Rabbit, and then Plastic Fantastic Lover. I mean, it's just such a psychedelic bouquet of great 60s sounds.
And the side we just heard just seems so raw, which is so cool. I like that raw sound
instead of that studio production sound.
Yes.
It's kind of that's what things is so great about 60s and 70s music, especially the 60s, is that there weren't a lot of embellishments with studio production and multi-tracking and all this stuff where they do it over and over until they get it right. Nah, man, they just played. Each one had their track. It had a purity and an honesty and a simplicity and power that just is overwhelming. This album is so beautiful, and it's got some great rockers as well, like Someone to Love is a classic.
Now, when were they actually inducted into the Rock and Roll?
Oh, I don't know. Geez.
I mean, was it early?
No, I think it was in the 80s or
Wow,
90s,
okay.
somewhere in there, because they'd been around for a while, but I don't have the exact date. I don't know when
No,
exactly.
I was just wondering because, you had said that it was Rolling Stone's one of the top 500.
500 albums of all time, absolutely. And this thing was multi-platinum, I think. Just a great album. What did you guys think? This is only side one.
You got to admit, those 3 slow songs on this side were fantastic. Each one better than the previous one.
Exquisite guitar work, lovely little finishes in the background that you hear, the drums playing softly here and there. Just beautifully produced for such a simply produced album. But
it was simply produced.
leave us your comments. Where were you when Surrealistic Pillow came out? If you're a young person, which I doubt you are, but hope you are, what did you think of hearing it maybe for the first time? You got to hear this whole album. It's a classic.
It is a great one.
So anyway, if you enjoyed what you heard and you haven't, please get into that little place of ours where it says subscribe and push that button and hit the like icon for us to spread the word and tell your friends about Nick and Narv, because we are caring for your ears and we love playing music that comes from all ages to all ages. And we thank you for being here for another episode of Nick and Narv on our tribute to Surrealistic Pillow.
And until next time, don't forget, we care for your ears.
Absolutely, both of them. On both heads, on both sides of your head.
Both heads.
Or on either side of your head. On 2 heads. Okay, thanks again for being here. We'll see you next time. Ciao, Bambini.
Signing off. God bless.
Peace out to all. Bye-bye.